Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something new and I really hope that you guys like it. If it's something that you enjoy, let me know and I will happily do a lot more of these because they're really fun. So basically what I did, I reached out to another soap maker on Instagram that has a YouTube channel and she is really awesome. I really enjoy her soaps. They're so colorful. You know, her swirls are really pretty. And I reached out to her and we were just like, hey, you know, your channel's great, it'd be awesome if we did like a collaboration. We took the same fragrance that both of us have and we did basically our own interpretation of the same soap. So, you know, we used our own recipes that we like to use, we used our own ingredients that we enjoy, but the theme was the same fragrance. So KAJ Bath and Body, as well as myself, LAHther Artisan Soaps, teamed up and we both made Monkey Farts soap. So far from what I've seen, hers is really colorful and beautiful. Mine, I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. I haven't cut it yet. I had to run errands this morning. This is the time I've had to kind of like sit down and then I'm about to film the cutting of it. So I haven't even seen what my soap looks like. I've seen hers and it was really nice.
So hopefully mine looks as nice.
This is actually one of the soap fragrances that I got from Aztec Candle and Soap Supplies in their giveaway, and that's actually a previous video that I have. If you wanted to learn more about those fragrances that I won from a giveaway on Instagram, you can go back and check out my previous video, the unboxing video.
Yeah. We done. We done. Okay. I don't know. You go back there. Sorry about that.
I had a lot of challenges making this soap. I had never used the fragrance before, and I'm not sure if I had maybe waited too long and let my oils and lye cool down too much, or if it was this specific fragrance, but my soap got so
like thick.
And it wasn't like unmanageable or too difficult to work with, but the plan that I had in mind just didn't pan out. But that's okay. Honestly, even when soap doesn't turn out the way that you wanted it to, it's still usable. There's nothing wrong with it. I really like some of my biggest mistakes, really. Like I'll make a plan in my head and it just doesn't turn out that way.
My cat's a little needy.
Anyway, here is the making of Monkey Farts cold process soap. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, there's going to be a video set from her with the same fragrance and her interpretation. So be sure to go and check her videos out because hers is going to be awesome. I hope you guys enjoy.